Welcome back to another session of mathematics. In this session, we are going to see how to introduce multiplication to children by using manipulators, and then how to do certain sums on multiplication which normally children find it very difficult to do. Multiplication. Let us take something like 3 into 2. What are the aims? We need to first make the child understand that when we multiply something, the answer becomes bigger. And so, what I would want the children to do is, when I say 3 into 2, let them take 3 coins. How many times? 2 times. Now, put them together. How many do we have? We have 6. So, 3 into 2 is 6. Now, another very important thing that we need to teach children as far as multiplication is concerned is, we also need to tell them that 3 into 2 is the same as 2 into 3. Okay. So, first what we can do is, we can ask them to find out what is 3 into 2 by using manipulatives. So, 3, how many times have I taken? 2 times, put them together and keep it aside. Now, what is the next thing? I want to tell them what is meant by 2 into 3. That means, I am going to take 2, how many times? 3 times. Now, what should they do? Because it is multiplication, they have to put them together. And how many do they have? They have 6. That means, is the same as 2 into 3. So, this is how initially we can teach them what is multiplication and a couple of numbers. For example, let us see how to teach them what is 4 into 4. Ask coins, how many times, and what should they do after that? See, they have taken 4 times, and what should they do after that? They have to put them together. Yes. So, what happens now? You have more because you have clubbed them together. How many are there in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. That means 4 into 4 gives you 16. So, once you do this, children first understand that when you multiply 2 numbers, your answer becomes bigger. Now, children almost always have problems in remembering tables, and hence they make a lot of mistakes while working out sums based on multiplication. Let us see how to sort it out. Let us take, for example, 3 into 2, and let us see if we can use something else to find out the answer. Now, when I talk of 3, what I am going to do is, I am going to take these 3 sticks. I say into 2, that means the other number is 2. That means I need to take 2 sticks, but what we need to do is ask them to place it across like this. These 2 sticks. They meet in 6 places. That means 3 into 2 will give you 6. They can't be using manipulators forever. So, how do I transfer it into their notebook? Let us see how to do a multiplication sum using the same technique in a notebook. Let us take the number 4 into 2. 4. Ask the and horizontal lines. Ask them to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This way, even if they are not able to learn tables by rote, they can use this and find out the answer easily. Now, let us see if we can use the same sticks that we used to learn 3 into 2. can be used to do a double digit multiplication by another double digit number. For example, let us take the number 31 and 22. Now, this stick or these sticks will represent the units. So, what do I see in the units column of the first number? 1. That means I need to take one step and place it on the table. Now, what is the tens column over there? What number is put there? It is 3. So, these sticks will represent the tens. I need to take 3 of these and place them next to the units. What do you see in the units column of the second number? 2. That means I need to take 2 of these sticks that represent units, but I need to place them across. And the number in the tens column of the second one is 2. So, take 2 of these and place them across. Now, make them count where units intersect units. So, it is 1 and 2. They intersect in 2 places. So, 2 is the final number that they will write here. Now, what they need to do is they need to count the number of places where units and tens intersect each other. That will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So, they need to write 8 here, and they need to again count the number of places where tens will intersect each other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, 6. So, the answer that you get is 682. So, 31 into 22 will give you 682. By doing this, the children learn how to do 2-digit multiplication by another 2-digit number. Thank you.